Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can get your LinkedIn link. Right, maybe you want to share your link on LinkedIn, you want to share your LinkedIn link to a friend, or you want to add it to your CV. Make sure to watch this video to the end because I will show you exactly how to do it. It's very easy. If this is your first time of coming onto this channel, please like this video, subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell. All right, let's go straight to LinkedIn. So before you do that, you should have LinkedIn on your phone. I believe you have LinkedIn on your phone. You can download it on your Google Play Store. So how exactly do you do that? You have to go to your LinkedIn account, open the app. All right, open the app. Let me click on it again. You open the app, and then I'll show you where to find your LinkedIn link. Actually, there are two ways to do it. Okay, so this is my LinkedIn account. Okay, so once you come into your LinkedIn account, you need to go to your profile. So you go to your top left side, click on it. All right, click on that image on the top left. Let me show you again this image here. Click on it once and then click on the image again. Okay, click on the image again. It will open your account for you. As you can see, this is my account. So the first way to get your link, there are two types of link. There is the long link and the short one. So how do you get the long one? You can come to this place, this pencil icon. Let me remove it again so you see. Let me remove it. You come to, sorry, not the pencil icon. You come to this icon here, these three dots. You click on it. All right, once you click on it, you can see here it says share profile via message, share profile via whatever. So you click on share profile. So once you click on share profile, it will open up another pop-up for you, so you can copy it. Let me click it again. Click it once. You click it once. Just wait patiently. Okay, good. You can see showing share profile. You click on share profile and wait for it to load. Okay, so in case this is taking time, it might be as a result of my phone or as a result of network. You can see, so you just copy to clipboard. Once you copy to clipboard, it's going to, you can now go to wherever you want to paste it and paste it. Are you seeing now? So let me just go to where I want to paste it now so that you see the link. I want to paste it on my notepad. I want to paste it on my notepad. Okay, just follow me guys. So let me just paste it here so that you see. Okay, let me paste it here. So if I paste it here, you see the long link. Are you seeing now? Very long link. Are you seeing it? Very long. So let me go and show you the short one now, how to get the short one. So most times, if you're going to be adding it to your CV, it is the short one you should be using. Okay, you cannot be sending that long link on your CV. It doesn't make sense. So let's go to the short one now. You come to the top right here, click on this, right? Click on it once. Once you click on it once, it's going to load this up. Right, once it loads this up, okay, sorry, not here, let's just go back. So you come to scroll down, hold on, just give me a moment. So now you can see, so once you come here, let me go back. So you come to this place that looks like you want to edit, this pencil icon. Click on it once. All right, once you click on it once, you wait for it to load, and then you scroll down, and come to this place that says edit contact info. Click on edit contact info. Once you click edit contact info, you are going to see at the top here, you see profile URL. That profile URL, that's your short link. All right, So what you are going to do is just to click on it, click and hold. Once you click on it, you copy it. Are you seeing now? Once you click on it, are you seeing? So that's it. You come to this line here. Once you click on it once, let me go back again so you see what I did. You click on it once, it's going to open up another page for you. Are you seeing what is opening? So you come to these three dots, vertical dot on the top right, click on it again, and then you copy link. Are you seeing now? So we copy the link. So we go back to our notepad or wherever you want to paste it, and then you paste it there. Are you seeing now? So you can see the both links. One is a short link, one is a long link. So this is exactly how you can get your link, your LinkedIn link. I believe that you've learned something from this. If you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section, and I'll see you in another video. Please make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe, and I'll see you later. Enjoy.